Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Happy New Year, honeycrunchers! And for our first video for 2022, I'll be sharing with you guys my third PR gift from CND Philippines. This arrived on December 30, 2021. Thank you so much, CND Philippines! Now let's check out the products. We have CND's The Color of You collection. This collection has 6 creme shades. And they are Chance Taker, Self Lover, Smile Maker, Change Sparker, Rule Breaker, and lastly we have is Mover and Shaker. Swatches for these 6 CND Vinylux shades will be posted soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. Then we have Longwear Top Coat, which is my current favorite top coat. Then Awfully Fast and Scrub Fresh. CND's Kanga Nail Files. Rescue RXX Daily Keratin Treatment. Solar Speed Spray. Then we have CND Sensations Hand and Body Lotion. And they are in Tangerine and Lemongrass, and Lavender and Jojoba. And lastly we have this Cuticle Away. You can check out CND products at Shopee and Lazada. The official links for their online shop will be posted on the description box below together with their social media pages. I'm really excited in trying out these products! And also, I can't wait to do more nail arts with the Colors of You collection. Once again, thank you so much CND Philippines for sending these. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe! Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. Once again, Happy New Year, honeycrunchers! And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, Happy New Year, bye!